John Gross with the answers to questions people have been asking about identity theft.
What is the worst kind of identity theft?
Well, Rebecca, that is a debatable question, but most people would say medical identity theft. The World Health Organization said this is the information crime that can kill you. It's not just the most dangerous form of identity theft, it is also the hardest to fix. There are very specific areas you will want to look into when you are a victim of medical identity theft. And they are in generally vastly different from dealing with any other type of identity theft. As a side note, there is a lot of misinformation concerning Medical Information Bureau, MIB, when it comes to medical identity theft. Keep in mind that despite the name of the organization, MIB Group has almost nothing to do with medical identity theft. Although, if you are a victim of insurance identity theft, you may want to consider checking your free MIB report. Imagine if someone did commit medical identity theft on you or your family, even a minor child. Changing your medical records, your blood type, and even your prescriptions could go undetected and cause you grave bodily harm, even death. Since this is the hardest kind of identity theft, to fix it, wouldn't you not want an expert fixing it for as fast as they can get it fixed? At Safe ID Trust, we have just such experts, and they are committed to repairing and fixing this as quickly as possible. Safe ID Trust has recovered over 10,000 identities and have almost certainly handled cases like you might have, and they retain the knowledge that will give you a recovery the fastest. Just think, if you don't have a recovery service, then you will need to become a recovery service. For my money, I would rather have one than to be one.